大家好, hello everyone, welcome to the episode 12 of this lesson. In today's video, you are going to learn how to pronounce the last 8 nasal finals of Chinese language, which are yan, yang, wan, wang, wen, uong, yuan, uong. Let's see them. As you may all know, the pinyin syllables helps in your pronunciations and also helps you to know the meaning of each Chinese word. So we have to take this very serious. So let's quickly see these 8 nasal finals that we have on the screen today. The first one is yan. Remember on our previous video, we already learned how to say these two special sounds, which are and so all these sounds also appears in these last nasal finals, and that is what made these sounds a nasal sounds. So let's start afresh. We have yan. Repeat after me. Yan. The E sound will also be read first before the an sound. Very quickly. Yan. Yan. The second one we have is yang. 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 The E sound will also be read first before the ang sound. Very quickly. Yang. Yang. The third one we have is one. Repeat after me. One. The woo sound will also be read first before the and sound. We have one. Repeat after me. One. The fourth one we have is one. Always try to find their differences. One and one. 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 The woo sound will also be read first before the ang sound. One. Remember, your tone and your pinyin syllable, the use of pinyin syllables will determine what you are saying in Chinese. So anyone you got wrong will definitely mean another thing. So we have to take this very seriously. One. One. The fifth one we have is when. Repeat after me. When. The oo sound will also be read first before the n sound very quickly. When. When. The sixth one on the screen is uong. Repeat after me. Uong. The woo sound will also be read first before the sound follows up very quickly. Uong. Repeat after me. Uong. The seventh sound we have on the screen is yuan. Repeat after me. Yuan. The U sound will as well be read first before the an sound follows very quickly. Yuan. The last one on the screen is iong. Repeat after me. Iong. The E sound will also be read first before the ong sound follows very quickly. Iong. Repeat after me. Iong. Now let's practice together. Yan. Yan. Yang. Yang. One. 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 When. when, uong, uong, ueng, ueng, iong, iong. Beautiful. So this is our last video on the pinyin discussion. If this is your first time on this channel and you've not watched the other videos on the pinyin syllables, the initials, and other parts of the Chinese finals, please you can visit other previous episodes so that you can get the full video on the pinyin syllable discussion. If you're new in our channel, kindly hit on the red subscription button, turn on your notification bell for more video updates. See you next time on the lesson 2 of our HSK discussion. Titan, goodbye.